Hello everyone, my name is Nam. Today, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to use Copilot in your daily work life. Let's get started. Our main concern may be, how do you write a good prompt that gets you the best results from Copilot? There are 4 elements that you should consider when writing a prompt: goal, context, source, and expectations. We have Copilot best practices here. Always verify the facts in AI-generated content. You control Copilot's results and can revise prompts or provide feedback. Copilot aids content creation but doesn't replace your creativity or critical thinking. Be specific and clear in your prompts. Now that you have learned some tips and tricks on how to use the freeform text field and the best practices, let me show you some examples of how Copilot can help you with different Microsoft 365 applications. Copilot is available in Word, Teams, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Microsoft 365 Chat, and more. Each of them has a different use case and benefit. Let's do some demo. With M365 Chat on Teams, you can easily catch up on your email. Here's my example. If you don't have time to open your email, you can ask Copilot to help you summarize your unread email like this. In just a few seconds, you can quickly capture the contents of those emails. That's a good prompt, but it can be better. Let's try again with this. I want Copilot to help me summarize information where it calls me out, not just limited to emails, and show me the next action items. Now you can see the result much clearer for understanding and reading. Before ending, I would like to share with you a tip for automating this prompt because we might need to run it every day. To automate it, you just need to run a prompt and hover your mouse over that prompt. Then you can see the Create a Schedule prompt icon, click on that. For me, I want it to run automatically on workdays at 8:30. Now it'll run automatically for me. Thank for your watching and have good prompting.